Hello guys, welcome to Gaming Hub. In this tutorial we will tell you how to drive a car. In first tutorial we will tell you about some basic rules. So guys, first of all you have to belt up and turn on your engine, then drive to and stop in finish zone. Let's go! So guys, first of all you have to take your seat back, then press your engine, and now it's time to go. So take your first chair and press your race, give some race to it, and turn left to your steering like this, and then turn it, and hold it. Give some left turn to your car, and then stop it. So guys, this is the right way to start your car and give some race it and just park it. So guys, thanks for watching Gaming Hub and this video tutorial how to drive a car. This is the first tutorial. We will tell you in the second tutorial some more tips and tricks about driving. So keep watching Gaming Hub. Thank you so much for watching.